body's got me weak. Your body's got me weak. You're Mozart in the sheets. You make a sinner out of me. I'ma need a priest, and I'll be singing Holy Mother of Moses. I just wanna buy you roses, open every door that closes, and kiss you from your head to your toes. I like your soul, baby. You got that heart made of gold, baby. I'm gonna love you till I'm old, baby. I just wanna be your baby, baby. I like your soul. I like your soul. I like your soul. I like your soul. Don't need to be undressing to feel like you're impressing. Must have died and gone to heaven. Gonna take me to confession. Give me five. Yeah, you got me singing Holy Mother of Moses. I just wanna buy you roses, open every door that closes, and kiss you from your head to your toes. I like your soul, baby. You got that heart made of gold, baby. I'm gonna love you till I'm old, baby. I just wanna be your baby. I like your soul. I like your soul. I like your soul. I like your soul. And just so you know, I like your soul, baby. I like your soul, baby. You got that heart made of gold, baby. I'm gonna love you till I'm old, baby. I just wanna be your baby. I like your soul, baby. You got that heart made of gold, baby. I'm gonna love you till I'm old, baby. I just wanna be your baby. I like your soul. I like your soul. I like your soul. I like your soul.
Hi there, how are you? Today we are doing the dance Kiss Your Soul. 32 counts for warm improver. This one restart happens in wall 4 at count 16. Now the dance. First section, weight on the left to start with your right. Forward hold, together, forward kick, back, back, coaster cross. Next section, monitoring quarter, touch out together, side to straight, touch behind. Next section, side behind, side cross, step on side, hip bomb, step back 1/4, another quarter, side to straight. Last section, cross side heel together, forward, half turn, pedal 1/4, pedal another quarter, walk, walk, count. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one restart happens in wall 4 after count 16. Now wall 4. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, and restart. So this is the whole dance. Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.